Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make the best Scotch eggs. To begin, I'll add the eggs inside the pot. Add water. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Cover and cook the eggs for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, the eggs are ready. Remove the eggs from the pot. Transfer them to very cold water to stop the cooking process and to make it easy to remove the peels. I'll peel the eggs. I'll repeat this process with the rest of the eggs. Next, pat the eggs dry with paper towel and set that aside. To make Scotch eggs, you will need sausage. This is the one I'm using. You can use any sausage of your choice for this recipe. I'll put a line on it and remove the skin. I'll repeat this process with the rest of the sausage. I'll season with onions powder, garlic powder, dried parsley, seasoned powder, pepper. Mix together. I'll not be adding salt because the sausage contained salt. I will scoop with ice cream scoop. Place it on my hands and flatten it. Place the boiled egg. Cover the egg with the sausage. I'll put this aside. Another way I do it is to use a plastic food wrap. I'll scoop in sausage. I'll cover and flatten it. Place boiled egg and cover it with the sausage. I'll repeat this process until everything is done. Everything is nicely done. It's time to coat the sausage. I'll start by using flour. I'll coat it in flour. Go over it like I've shown in this video and dust out any excess flour from the sausage. I'll whisk the eggs together. And coat in the egg. Next, coat in breadcrumbs. Coat it very well so they can come out very crunchy and delicious. I will repeat this process until everything is done. Add oil in the pot and start heating it up. Check the oil temperature with a skewer. Once it starts to fry around it, that means the oil is hot. Add the Scotch eggs and fry them on medium heat. From time to time, stir so they can fry nicely without getting burnt. When the Scotch eggs are golden brown, they are ready. Remove them from the hot oil. I'll transfer them to a strainer that is lined with paper towel to take out any excess oil from the Scotch eggs. The Scotch eggs were very crunchy and they tasted so delicious. Second method, I'll use air fryer. I'll place the Scotch eggs inside the air fryer basket. You can bake them in the oven as well. I will air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes until they are ready. After some time, I will turn them so they can air fry nicely without getting burnt. The air-fried Scotch eggs are ready. They came out very crunchy and super delicious. I'll cut it. Let's see what it looks like inside it. They were very delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye.